and I need your students feedback, sir, because my English is not good, but still I am trying to convey my message to all of you. What happens, sir, while talking with all the intelligent students, we face problem because we are not every day talking in English. I am a primary school teacher here in higher primary school. Here we are not getting that much of atmosphere. Don't worry, sir. Huh. Don't worry about it. Communication is important. English is not our property. We are associated with the mother tongue. Yes, sir. Yes. English is other tongue. Just use for communication. Huh. Just no, we should love our mother tongue. Yes, sir. But for communication, love English language. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just because it is going to change one person to another person as a idiolect. How to collect book? हाँ सर, सर I will share my mobile number. Please you message me. We will convey you. My mobile number is 7397847907. This is my mobile number, sir. 7397847907. We will send you the books by speed courier or by speed post. And respected Jogi sir, I want to give one example. Mr. Vasant sir, he is from our Karnataka, but today he is living in Assam, in a China border, Nathula border. He is working as a soldier. Sir, recently he qualified a Karnataka set exam, and in the coming month of December 2024, he is going to retire from army. If an army person who is facing such a problem while protecting our nation on the border side, he focused on the set exam and he qualified. And I tell all the students, if that man is doing all kind of efforts, then you are a student. You also try for it and you will get the result. Okay, anybody wish to share your opinion on this session? Anyone? Actually, what happens here, our brothers and sisters, they are not ready to express their views, whether it is good or whether it is constructive. You express your opinion. Because of your opinion, we get energy. Because of your opinion, we will understand your problems. Because of your opinion, we will understand your attitude. Or you, after saying, you will understand the solutions. And don't listen only one sided. Okay, I one sidedly I talked, I expressed, but you personally you call me, or actually I am unable to receive the call, sir, due to hectic schedule of my school. And if I get a time, then only I will call the students, then I talk. Otherwise, you please don't think in a negative way, Dhanaya is not receiving my call. But when I get a time, definitely I will reply. And compulsory, you message me, I will tell you, sir, all the students. Okay, sir. I think everyone happy with your session. Sir, namaste. Okay, please. It's Chandra from Karnataka. Very impressive class, sir. Wonderful. So it's a very fruitful class. That's all we can say. Please share your contact details. So we also buy some notes from you. It's a wonderful class, sir. Thank you very much for introducing such a great personality in this session, sir. Thank you very much. ಸಂಗೀತ ಇದು ಹಿಡಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಪ. Sir, actually we are confused about the book. Which book to read for our late night. ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಆಥರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಹಿಡಿಯ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಿಸ್ತಿಡಿ. ಆಲ್ ಆಥರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟನ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಬುಕ್. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡೀಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ his book is good or his book is bad. But what happens, sir? You select specific book, then you get the result, sir. At a specific book means what? For paper number 1, you take 1 or 2 books. That is enough. If you are believing on my work, then please take my book. my book will successfully help you for getting the result. For English literature, I will give you what I collected, what I wrote. You take my book, then you read it, and don't take every author's book, my book, another tuition teacher's book and his book. No, don't mingle everything. Take specifically and focus on the result, focus on the study planning, sir. And
Good evening, Danay sir.
hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening, Danay sir.
Good evening, Amma. Good evening.
Sir, myself, Sri Durga, working as assistant professor in JNTU Vijayanagaram. Uh, JNTU Vijayanagaram, sir.
Okay.
Sir, JNTU from Andhra Pradesh. I'm from Andhra Pradesh,
Oh,
AP.
very good. Oh, thank you, Amma.
And actually, your speech is very motivational. Really, I'm very happy. And one thing, really, what I want to say is actually nobody, after getting the success, nobody will share their opinions. What they'll say is generally, okay, I qualified like this. I did my hard work, or by God care, or something else. But only thing what I like from you is really whatever the thing exactly happened to you, you really express to yourself, sir. Really, we are very happy.
Amma, thank you so much, Amma. Thank you so much. I visited Andhra University. I went to Visakhapatnam, sir. I brought the
Okay.
certificate there. Yeah, I wondered each and every state, sir. But every time I suffered a lot. But that suffering is for physically. But mentally, I was completely strong because I wanted to get the result. And after getting the result, I didn't keep all the secret with myself, sir. I'm sharing my secret to everyone, and all students are getting inspiration. That thing
Of
is.
course, sir, but this is first time which I have heard from you. But I heard so many people like they only used to express their after getting okay, I qualified like this, and I'm having my own talent and all. But nobody has shared experiences. So really, I'm very happy, sir. And what is your website, sir? Like you said that you are explaining something in classes and all.
Hi.
So your
Yes,
website.
yes. Actually, we don't have the website, but I created my own YouTube channel. YouTube channel,
Okay.
DGK SetNet. DGK SetNet. This is my YouTube channel. From last two
Okay.
years, I have been delivering my speech in Kannada and Marathi. I am not delivered more lecture in English medium, but now onwards, with all the sisters like you,
Please,
your blessing, I start my
sir,
lecture in English. Hmm.
so please give your speeches in English so that even the complete India is going to listen your words because we are not aware with Kannada and all.
Yes, yes,
As
yes,
we are
sister.
non-native speakers of the language, so we are not aware. So please give your speeches in English as well.
Yes, Amma,
So
yes.
really, maybe I became a very good fan of you today. And thank you so much, sir. Maybe with the blessings of you in future, maybe I will qualify. Even I qualified in SET, sir, but I'm trying for NET from long back.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
it is very very problematic for me. But thank you
No,
so much, sir.
actually, sister, please take my one book, one theory and remaining four question banks, sir. Sir, respected Jogi sir, for completely 10 years, I personally, I dedicated my time, I analyzed everything. At least you get the benefit from my experience. What I'm telling you, the source which I used for preparing the result, for preparing the exam, that helped me out. I am in front of you with the result of 77. Passing one time is, everyone is thinking difficult, but after passing one time, easily you will score everything, sir. That is not a big hurdle, according to my point of view.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you.
Hi. Good
And
evening, sir. Jogi sir and Danaya sir.
thank you,
I
sir.
am from Karnataka, sir. I am Birappa. Already introduced myself, Danaya sir. But I am already preparing for sir books. It's a very important books. But I one thing, sir. You also all lessons also completed for paper one, sir. YouTube channel. I am also seeing, sir. But we are really humble requested to you, sir. Please paper two syllabus also.
YouTube channel and explain it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because so many second paper language problem also there, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are also not understanding for Hindi languages. But it's a major problem, sir. You also explain about Kannada or English, sir, in a paper too. I am also so happy, sir, because so many times I am also trying to your contact, but not contacted. But this platform also very wonderful and such a great job, sir. Jodi sir, once again, thank you so much, sir. We also gathered everyone, sir. But I am also Kannada medium students. When I am talked to Dhanaya sir, I am very inspired. Try to set our next up. I am just failure for KSET exam, sir. I am first time to attempt to KSET examination.
Yes.
I am also qualified. I am also eligible but not qualified, sir.
Yes, yes, good.
But next time I am also definitely qualifying, sir.
Very good.
But please help me paper two, sir. Because I am also open university student, sir.
Okay,
But
okay.
not understanding literature based.
Yes,
Please
yes.
try to stop because you also having a busy schedule, sir. But my our state students also requested to you. So many students I am also gathering one WhatsApp group, sir. Everybody is also asking one major thing, sir. We are not understanding for Hindi languages. So many candidates also teach to second paper, sir, but not explaining English, only Hindi, sir. But it's a major problem, sir. Please requested me not order, sir. Please try to paper two, sir.
Yeah.
But I am preparing your book, sir. It's a well and a very handsome book, sir.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Okay, sir, sure, sir. Already I'm saying to my friends and so many, one or two friends already passed the set exam, sir. One day we will also meet your native place, sir. But my opinion, when I am passed the net examination, after next day I am come to your house, native place, sir.
Because of Dr. Jogi sir, everything is possible. Don't worry.
Jogi sir, but really I don't know. But today I am also joining your group, sir. My madam, my colleagues also saying to this platform is a very important platform and sharing to very important notes. And my major problem is also literature. But I am also when this buying sir books, I am also preparation also well. But but Jogi sir, what is your native place? Everybody is also I am knowing. But you also created one of the good platforms, sir.
Yes.
Best
Once
wishes.
again,
Yes.
thank you so much, both of you.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you and best wishes for your exams.
Yes, sir, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, sir. With your permission, I would like to conclude the program. First, I would like to thank once again for your motivational speech. Really, you cherished all the participants and illuminated all the participants on the topic. And also would like to thank all the participants for your, for your presence, for your interaction, for your opinion, and for your good preparation. Thank you, everyone. And tomorrow I will come with another resource person with another topic. Thank you. Good night, all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.